Hello, and welcome to our clean water science experiment.
Clean, safe and drinkable water is essential to human life. Water that we get from rain, rivers and lakes have to be cleaned before it arrives in our taps at home. If the water we drink is not clean, this can lead to many health problems and diseases such as diarrhoea, infections and even death.
In the science experiment, we have constructed a water filtration system to filter out impurities in contaminated water, producing clean water.
Here is the example of water that we will be using. You can see that it is very dirty water and that it is full of dirt, pebbles, sand, soil, decaying plant matter and other unhealthy contaminants. You can even see soil there on the surface.
We now slowly pour the dirty water down the filter column and tell you what each section of the filter column will do to the water.
At the top of the filter column is gravel. This gravel has spaces between each piece, which traps large pieces of contaminants in the water.
Below this is sand filter. The grains of sand have even smaller spaces between them, trapping even smaller contaminants.
The next layer the water goes through consists of charcoal grains that are made up of a material called activated carbon. Potentially harmful chemicals that are in the water cling to the surface of the tiny carbon grains in a process called adsorption.
Activated carbon is so good at removing chemicals from water it's sometimes used by doctors as a treatment for poisoning or drug overdoses.
Finally, the water passes through filter paper. Filter paper has tiny holes between its fibres. Water can trickle through the holes, but particles larger than them are trapped. Oil particles, for example, will be trapped here.
Finally, you can see the water that passes through the length of the filter column is now crystal clear, unlike the dirty water that we started out with.
However, I wouldn't drink it if I were you. While soil, dirt and harmful chemicals, oil and other contaminants may have been removed from the water, it may still have germs, bacteria and microbes. This has to be treated with chemicals before it can be safely consumed.
Thank you for watching.